for that. Okay, so the digital video broadcast, satellite DVB-S. In DVB-S, the signal is broadcasted through the satellite. So digital video broadcasting cable, this is for satellite, this is for cable. In DVB cable, the signal is broadcasted through the broadband coaxial cable. Then the digital video broadcasting terrestrial. So the signal transmitted to using terrestrial methods. The next one, handheld devices. So the broadcast services are given to the mobile handsets. So these are all the services under digital video broadcast. So everything is given here. DVB-S, DVB-C, DVB, the terrestrial, and you have a mobile handsets. So the digital video broadcast, the satellite block diagram, you have the coding and modulation technique and the channel adapter. So the coding, compression, coding, and modulation. So here the compression technique is MPEG-2, okay, video encoder, audio encoder, data encoder. So these are all the three is the encode. Okay, now we have a multiplexer, whatever we discussed in the previous slides. Okay, either you can use space division multiplexing or code division multiplexing. So the inputs data are multiplexed, then it's transferred through the media channel. Okay, now you have a mux adaptation and energy dispersal. So the dispersion is very important. Then you have a outer coder, the coding part. So the coding part is very important. You have a convolutional interleaver. Okay, so the next one, inner coder, that is nothing but convolution. The everything will combine, we call it as a convolutional coder. Okay, then baseband shaping. So the baseband shaping is nothing but, already I told you, the signal must be a band limited signal to avoid the interference and the noise disturbance. Okay, so the baseband shaping will be obtained by use of the low pass filter, or it's nothing but a integrator. Okay, so the next one, you have a modulator part. So the modulator is nothing but quadrature phase shifter modulator. So the quadrature means generally phase shift keying means the carrier signal phase changes either if the input is 0, 180-degree phase shift. If the input is 0, no phase shift. This is PSK. If quadrature phase shift keying, at a time two data can be transmitted. For example, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so if it is a 0 0 0 1, what it will happen? This can be divided into 4 degrees. Okay, if this is in 0, 45, 1 plus, that is plus or minus 45, plus or minus 135, and plus or minus 235, okay, 215. Okay, so this is the angle, or 0, 90, 180, 360. Okay, so whenever we go for the quadrature phase shift keying, that 5/4 quadrature phase shift keying is also adopted, because this bit error rate is very good in 5/4 quadrature phase shift keying. At the same time, the fading and all very less. Okay, now in 5/4 offset quadrature phase shift keying is also available. That can be also used for the modulation technique. So the next one, so this is simply what are all the modulation. So the reverse process, whatever used here, the thing, the say reverse process is obtained in the receiver part. Okay. Then access methods, multiple access method used in satellite communications. Okay, what is meant by single access? What is meant by multiple access? Single access is nothing but a transponder channel abroad a satellite may be fully loaded by a single transmission from an earth station. This is referred to as a single access mode of operation. Multiple accesses. A transponder can also be loaded by a number of carriers. These may originate from a number of Earth stations geographically separate and each Earth station may transmit one or more carriers. This mode of operation is termed as multiple access. Okay, so multiple access schemes, frequency division multiple access, time division multiple access, code division multiple access. So the frequency division multiple accesses, the frequency spectrum is divided into, okay, depending upon the frequency band. Similarly, based on time, similarly based on the code. Okay, so that is called the multiple access. Then assignment methods. Multiple access can also be classified into two assignment methods. One is fixed or pre-assigned multiple access. The another one is demand assisted multiple access. So the fixed pre-assigned multiple access is nothing but in this method, circuits are allocated on a fixed or partially fixed basis to certain users. Okay, these circuits are therefore not available for general use. Pre-assignment is simple to implement but is efficient only for circuits with continuous heavy traffic. Demand assign multiple accesses. In this method, all circuits are available for all users and are assigned according to the demand. Okay. So if some geographical position, the demand is more. So depending upon the channels are assigned. So this results in a more efficient overall use of the circuits, but it is more costly and complicated to implement because it has more the hardware complexity.